Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make intelligent purchasing decisions effortlessly. Today, we're comparing two top contenders in the hard floor cleaning arena, the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam, and the Shark S7000AMZ Steam and Scrub. One combines vacuuming and steaming, while the other specializes in scrubbing. Which one will reign supreme? Let's find out. Let's start with price. The Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam is priced at $185, while the Shark S7000AMZ is a bit more budget-friendly at $169. Reviewers have noted that the Shark offers great value for money, making it a preferred choice for those looking to save a few bucks while still getting a reliable cleaning tool. When it comes to functionality, the Bissell is a multitasker, allowing you to vacuum and steam simultaneously. Reviewers appreciate this feature, often mentioning how it cuts down on cleaning time. In contrast, the Shark S7000AMZ focuses heavily on scrubbing with an automatic mop head that delivers over 150 scrubs per minute. Users rave about its ability to tackle tough stains, though some feel it's more suitable for light cleaning tasks. Sanitization is a key factor in floor cleaning. The Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which many users confirm, citing its effectiveness. Meanwhile, the Shark is praised for its gentle yet effective cleaning, particularly for pet owners who need to remove drool and stains. Reviewers say that while the Shark may not sanitize as aggressively, it does a great job keeping floors clean and safe. Ease of use is another important category. The Bissell features easy-touch digital controls, allowing you to switch between vacuuming, steaming, or both with ease. Reviewers find this feature convenient, though some mention minor usability issues. The Shark, on the other hand, is celebrated for its maneuverability, making it feel like a cleaning ninja as it glides across the floor. Users appreciate its lightweight design, although a few have noted it can be heavy for extended use. Overall, the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam is well received for its dual functionality and sanitizing capabilities, while the Shark S7000AMZ is favored for its scrubbing power and gentle cleaning approach. Both products have their strengths and appeal to different cleaning needs. So there you have it. The Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam stands out for its multitasking ability, while the Shark S7000AMZ shines in scrubbing performance. Which product do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. Product links are in the description. Until next time, remember to buy smart and clean smart.